Football news now. German Bundesliga star Leon Bailey is set to make his debut for the Reggae Boys on Monday in their CONCACAF Gold Cup match against Honduras at the National Stadium. The 21-year-old forward was ruled out of Jamaica's friendly international against the USA earlier this month due to injury. However, Bailey took part in full training on Sunday at the Captain Horace Burrell Center at UW Mona and is expected to be named in the starting 11 for Monday's contest. Chelsea loanee Michael Hector is an injury doubt for the match as he is currently struggling with a groin strain. Striker Shamar Nicholson, who scored his first international goal against the USA this month, could be in contention for a starting place. Jamaica's full squad for the Gold Cup reads goalkeepers Andre Blake, Amel Knight and Dwayne Miller. Defenders Hector, Damien Lowe, Alvis Powell, Kamar Lawrence, Jamoy Topi, Sean Francis. Midfielders Terry McGee, Kevin Lambert, Javon Watson, Devon Williams, Ricardo Morris, Peter Lee Vassell. And the forwards Bailey, Darren Mattox, Shamar Nicholson, Brian Brown, Juna Flemings, Malik Foster and Diva Orgill. Theodore Whitmore's team will battle the Hondurans in the